What's up, hi? We're back with another video with us in a ravine.
Oh, from Chesney.
Oh, Happy's cold bread. Oh my gosh.
Jackpot. Right when you started the video.
I know, right?
Oh, empty room. Ow!
That could be a new house, maybe.
Ow!
You want to? Or
Did you bring some wood?
chairs? Huh?
Did you bring some
chair,
wood?
Yeah.
hit my
How much?
toe.
What?
My toe hurts.
I mean like 4.
Shit.
That was not smart of you.
Yeah.
I wasn't ready. I was ready, but I just wanted to just go.
I made a crafting table.
I already had a crafting table. You should have told me. See, look, I have sticks and a crafting table. Is that it?
Ethan, you could always teleport.
He knows.
I don't want to.
He's in his own place. Too.
I'm looking for a chest. Oh!
Okay.
What? What happened?
I thought it was going to blow up on you.
I know, right? I'm like, but I'm invisible. I'm invisible.
Oh, I found another one.
Never
Oh, that's a lot of
mind,
experience. Dude, we need to find an enchantment
I
table.
can't do anything.
There's
I
an
have to
enchantment
friend
table in here.
Yeah, there's enchantment tables, like,
In the
Oh.
chest.
like all around places. Like, you need to like find a place where it's like an enchantment table.
Did I hit it?
I found a chest. Let's see. Iron!
Give me that iron.
Give
me that iron.
Hey, I need to make an iron pig just in case if I find stuff.
Give me that iron. I said, give me that iron.
You already have
iron.
iron. Stop.
Give me that iron.
I found it for myself. You want to split that other iron that you had, that you like just found. You said, yeah, rail cars. We need these.
I don't have the map packs.
There's always rail carts in here,
I
retarded.
know, but I didn't see them.
Found at the chest.
Iron string. We can make you a bow.
My inventory's full.
Huh?
My inventory's full. Let me put some stuff in here that I'm going to need.
Oh, those are seeds. Nice.
We need those seeds. Is that iron? I'm about to say.
I'm getting sick and
Higher up the
tired.
budget. Higher up the
Oh,
budget.
found the stone. Oh my god.
I'm getting sick and tired of this. I can't find anything. All I can find coal.
Oh my gosh.
We got 6 levels. I'm putting TPT. This is
Don't,
nice.
are you in the ravine?
Yeah. Well, you don't want me to?
Go ahead if you want.
I know which one to find. I need to be quiet down here. I'm not that good at this. Like, I'm not used to teleporting. I might as well just follow. I might as well just go.
I
gotta go
know.
on.
It says party
Way
leader.
back.
It's adding game rules.
You got a way to get back?
Do you think we should put on hardcore?
Mama.
What happened?
Oh.
Me?
There's no way.
What? There's no way back?
Michael.
Michael what? That's your friend?
No, they're playing Michael Myers.
Oh.
And he named this one class Michael.
I played Michael Myers before.
My friend,
my
friend's
cousin
named
also.
Michael.
What this glitching? Oh. I found another way. Oh.
Thank you. Headshot.
Look at this. I found some more places. With their color and gravel. I found a spider spawner. I can give you some levels.
TP me,
Huh?
Oh,
It's like so many spider webs. Have you been over here before? Is that true? Stop!
mine.
Okay. Why does this spider keep on following me?
Because it's poisonous spider.
Aren't you not supposed to see me?
Found that spider. No, I found a creeper.
Let it blow up. You can maybe find some more passageways.
Oh!
Trying to put my button over here. Woo!
Blow up for me. Thank you. Ooh, I found some iron. Found another path.
Huh?
Found another path.
Look at that. Look at the railway.
Ooh, I found another cave. I found a cave. No, it's just... Oh, I found an empty room. Again.
I have a lot
Can I
on
teleport to
here,
you
so
this
I don't know
time?
what you're
Yeah.
talking about. I have a lot on here.
Okay. Okay.
And you
So,
cannot
go to
use
house
your throwing knife
and tell
unless
Tell
you're
me, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
person.
Thank you. Finally did it the right way.
Oh, this is a big room. I want to live in here now. But I'm good. I like our old house.
No more pathways. Ooh, get the rails.
I
You want to go down, or you want to go back over here?
I'm going back where, I'm going back up.
Oh, first mine.
You do it? I'm going back home.
Aww.
What? I don't see any, oh, tracks. That's what we need.
Oh, I found a lot of coal.
Nice. A lot of experience there. Pig broke. The pig broke.
Yeah, I need a crafting table.
Come over around here.
No, I found coal and I want it now.
Have you went through here? Trust. Have you got this? Yes. But I need to take the mine cart and the railways so I can ride all day.
Oh, we should make a ride to our house to the temple.
How can I get this?
I'm course. Throw out your 64 or something. Or throw out your emerald. Throw out your emerald.
I threw out sand.
Throw out
I
your
don't want
emerald.
to.
Please.
No, I need to trade stuff with it.
Oh, crap. Mm.
You wanted it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, what level are
At
we
least I know the way back. Yep.
I found some iron. Nice.
Just what I found some iron.
Huh?
I found some iron.
Oh, yeah, that's you. Okay, let's go. Where are you?
Can you put some more?
And you left me again.
To like that.
I just
get
TP'd.
this
I tried to get out. This guy's gonna take us a little while. 7 minutes into the video, nice.
I found a cave.
You do it?
Uh-huh.
Can I TP to you?
After you give me a pickaxe.
Okay.
Found some lava. Found
Did
lava.
you do everybody?
Found some iron. Give me this iron. Uh-huh.
What?
I just now did. No, aftermath.
No, crap-a-doodle.
What, you need sticks?
I better have enough for food.
Can I
I hate
push this?
aftermath.
You TP to me.
Do I push this right?
What? You would have pressed the wrong button. I would have knocked you out.
You would have been like, bop, 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 bop. I would have been, ooh, 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 ow, 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 ow.
Bam, bam, bam.
He's shaking. It's an earthquake. It's an earthquake. Ah, it's an earthquake. Ah.